Why was a fine of 120 million rupees imposed for using an Apple iPhone? And how much money do petrol pump companies actually make on 1 liter of petrol? And did you know that the dots above the letters I and J are not actually called dots but something else? So let's find out some more mind-blowing facts like these. Number 12. You already know how expensive petrol has become these days, but in 2013 Volkswagen made a car that if it came to India would put an end to all your worries about petrol. This car is called the Volkswagen XL1. It runs 100 kilometers on just 1 liter of petrol. Number 11. Do you know why the fridge door is magnetic? Actually, before 1956, fridges used to have a handle like a gate, which could only be opened from the outside. Because of this, sometimes children would accidentally lock themselves inside the fridge, after which these magnetic doors started coming in the refrigerator, so that it can be opened from both inside and outside. Number 10. Friends, the length of the DNA present inside all of us is approximately 10 billion miles. That means with this you can travel from our earth to the sun 61 times. Number 9. If you have a pet dog or are planning to get one, always remember never to feed dogs chocolate because chocolate contains theobromine, which acts as a poison for them. Number 8. You might have never noticed that the small dot you see above the letters I and J is not called a dot but a tittle. But I was never told this in school. Number 7. Did you know that a lizard can never be made to run a long race? Because a lizard is an animal that cannot breathe while running and cannot run while breathing. This is because lizards use the same muscle for both running and breathing. Number 6. At some point in your life, you must have been told not to drink too much tea or you'll get dark skin. But friends, this is just a myth. Drinking tea does not make you dark skin. And yes, in pure Hindi, tea is called Dugdha Jal Mishrit Shakkar Yukta Parvatiya Bhuti. Number 5. Friends, you will never see a villain in movies holding any Apple product, like an iPhone or an Apple Watch, because Apple has strictly prohibited this. Apple believes that this could harm the company's image. Friends, these big brands pay attention to even the smallest details. Number 4. The picture you see on the screen is the last photograph of the Titanic, which was taken on the 12th of April 1912 by Francis Brown in the village of Crosshaven, Ireland. That means this photo was taken 3 days before the Titanic sank, when 1,514 people were still alive. Number 3. Petroleum companies like HP and Bharat Petroleum make a profit of about 3.5% on each liter of petrol. So if petrol is priced at 105 rupees per liter, the company earns 3 rupees and 67 paise per liter, and for diesel it's 3%. That means if diesel is 90 rupees per liter, the company will earn 2 rupees and 70 paise per liter of diesel. Number 3. Friends, Google had Anushka Sharma advertise their Pixel 2 SL mobile. For this, Anushka Sharma clicked photos with the dog using the Google Pixel mobile and posted them on Twitter, tagging Google and all. But when people noticed that tweet, it said via Twitter for iPhone, which means Anushka had uploaded these photos using an Apple iPhone. How about that? Number 1. Samsung made Ksenia Sobchak their brand ambassador, and according to the contract, Ksenia was only supposed to use Samsung mobile phones in public. But during an interview, Ksenia was using an Apple iPhone Dengs. So even as Samsung's brand ambassador, she used an iPhone and that too in public. How about that? After this, Samsung fined Ksenia a total of 120 million rupees. Now, tell me in the comments, what do you think this is a side effect of?